Here we go, video on the upload download. So from this screen, if you're at the end of the day, you have had all your kids check out, we're gonna return to the main set here, the main menu, and click staff only. From staff only, you're gonna hit that pin, which is 911, and continue to hit go. You're gonna see this screen pop up. We're gonna go to the return to upload. If you're ever curious though on if a student is or is not logged in or checked in, you can also do that on that screen, so I'll show you how. With that, you can see that our upload date here is today's date. At the end of the evening, you're gonna wanna click upload. You can do this as early as 5:45. That allows the parents that are a little bit later, we can let them know we check them out manually, but then we have that set up in our system. So it is uploading right now. When it gets done, it'll give you this green success check mark. You're gonna click OK on that, and then we're gonna go to downloading the next days. Click download over here, and it's gonna do the same thing, give you a success. With that, you're gonna wanna log out of the application, which allows tomorrow mornings to be able to check in. But like I said, if you are getting set and wanting to check to make sure that your program participants are being managed correctly, you can log in and go to the main staff page. Going into staff only there, typing in our code, and on the bottom it has manage participants. That's going to be our space where we're going to be able to click and then be able to click the program or session. For us it would say New Hope School Release Day. You're going to want to click on there, and then it'll have full day here, but for us purposes today, you can see that there's check marks next to the name that they have attended, that they're in, and that they're out. So those are things that you can check. Anytime you make an adjustment, you always want to make sure to come down and click save. In the afternoon, we may have some students coming from some of our schools that are not in the Robbinsdale district. With that, we want to make sure that they are well prepared and taken care of. Athlos tends to come at 4:20, and I know we have one student that will be coming off of that bus. Prairie Seed and Harvest Academy, I'm not 100% sure if they are planning on attending or not. It'll be important to check on our CAT system to see whether or not they will be here for the following day. But their bus time for Harvest Preparatory Academy will be about 4:30, and for our Prairie Seed Academy, it'll be roughly around that same time. So we're checking for those students and making sure that if we need to leave the office area and come back to programming because it's past the time and we don't think that they're there by, say, 4:40, then you want to let Shammer, Deanne, or someone in the back area know, so in case a bus comes by, they can let us know to come get our kids. It's going to be a great winter break. That's all the information I have for you in terms of upload, download in the classroom. If you are going to be in charge of printing the attendance, there's one last video to help walk you through that. But thank you so much. It's going to be a great break. Y'all rock.